We get an app for to store the Business Central attachments into the Azure Blob to save the space in Business Central basically. So it's the purchase process quite simple. You will have a plan, which is basically we have one plan per user per month or goes by per year. You can go and buy it from here. Then this is the plan, and I will see how many months or by year. Sorry, number of by I want to go by month or per year, and whether it's for recurring billing to be done. I can enable it. Next, then it will ask for some the address information. So proceed everything. Probably have to attach your credit card, whatever. Then you place the order into this app source. So once it is done, you have you have to go to your Microsoft admin portal. Then the purchased app will be there. So if I go here, it's my purchase one, and this is unassigned license, which is showing as one. So I'll go and assign license to myself. Also, you can do the installation from this particular page. So I probably install product. I have already installed. I'll just show you how it is working. So you can choose the which environment you want to deploy it. Then I can assign my license. After assigning license, I could see the my username over here, which has been assigned. Now I'll go to the Business Central. Right, so I go Business Central. So I'll refresh my user list over here. Go and update. So if there is any update happens, then I'll do refresh. Sometimes you need to refresh it to reflect the license which you put which you once you are signed into the admin portal. Right. So the next thing I want to do cloud attachment management setup, which how I'm going to store the data. So whether it is standard or Azure Blob. So in future we are thinking of including Amazon S3 or any other external storage which support with Business Central. Right. Then there are a few information which you have to grab it from Azure portal. So basically, once you subscribe to the Azure Blob, you will get these details. So if I have this is my storage name, and this is my container name. So I have created a one container called Business Central. That basically that is what we are working here and here. Then one more which is a shared key. Basically, you can get it from your access key place. So basically you can copy this information, so and copy this information and keep it over here. And this is a root folder. Basically you can the segregation of the data, whether it can go by company or how do you want to keep your data in Azure Blob. So in future we won't directly go and check it out. So I can create a root folder and keep it as whatever the company name. And also you can by different functional area you can create a default root folder. So this is besides to Cronus, you can also have inside Cronus you can have a multiple folders based on the different areas. For example, I want to put it under customer all the customer attachment, it goes to this particular folder. You can basically you can change the name also if you want. So mostly we have covered all the tables which Business Central support. In addition to that, we support GL entry transaction and journals. Also, if you want to attach some attachment to item journal or general journal, so that's also we supported. Right. So once we have done all this, let's go and proceed with the transaction. I go sales order to do some transaction. So let's create a new transaction. That's right. A new. Let me select yeah, some default customer. Then my default item, which is Ethan's desk. Then I go quantity as one. I put some amount over here. Then here's the attachment over here. Go attach files. Then I will choose some images. It could be any file you can choose. Let's say I choose my Lazada. Open. Right, what happens? Even though it's transparent to you, but in behind the screen, this will get pushed into the Azure Blob. So say select over here. I can also preview from here. View documents. There are a few files which supports. Like let's say if I want to attach some PDF file over here. If I have uploaded some PDF, I can straight away view it from my Business Central screen itself without navigating, without downloading the information to my local and look at the data. Right. So now we can see the information. Or let's say I want to download some reasons after I post the transaction I want to download. I can also select multiple lines and click download. Basically, it will combine it to a zip and it will get downloaded. So basically now we have not preview enabled. So once we enable the preview, it will display the document, supported documents. Some reasons it may not show, uh, but however those supported view from here view document place to see the files, whether it is a PDF or it is a image file. So it's supported over here. So let's post this transaction. I do ship an invoice and let me open the preview document. So now the attachment is over here, right? So what missing in the standard system, you may not find it in the related documents. Let's say if I go to my GL entries, so that was missing. So we kind of included over here. So even though it is GL, as long as the transaction number matches, it tries to show over here. In addition to that, you can also attach more documents in the GL entry directly. So if I want to some additional documents, finance side, they want to keep it, they can just keep it straight away over here against this document. Okay, right. Okay, cool. So now you can see this is a related document. This is particularly to the general ledger entries. Right, so far we have seen in the Business Center. Let's go and look at the Azure Blob, how it is keeps the data over there. So from the containers which I created Business Central, then it is got a Cronus inside, and each functional area have documents. So if I go to sales, so this is that invoice document which has got posted. I could see that information over here. So what is the invoice document? So also if I go to my GL entry and the one which I posted 002 attached, I could see from here. Right. So it is not just sales and GL. So it is sales and GL entry. You can also do it for your general journal. So you can extend to general journal, cash receipt journal also. So let's say I have a document, the journal under cash receipt journal. I attach some document over here. Let's say let's put it as JD, and I post this transaction to the system. Right, so it is posted as 2003. So I go back to my general journals and 002, which is JD, which has been uploaded, right? Okay, so also I could go to my poster transaction, edit ledger entries. I could see over here number document. This particular document attachment is being uploaded over here. Close that. Also, besides to the general journal, let's say since it is linked up with the customer entry. So if I go back to my customer ledger entry, I could see the same attachment over there as well. So basically, it's a document number based. It is linked everywhere. It goes into the transactional system. So ensure the document number is unique with respect to the transaction and the ledgers. Right. So the same which is applies to the item ledger entry, vendor ledger entry, and even the employee, some masters data also. So we do capture the information or the attachment information over there as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, please free to reach us. Thank you.